Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the center simmer orifice in your gas cooktop, be sure to unplug the power cord and shut off the gas supply. Remove the center grate. Lift off the burner cap and the burner base. You can now use a 7mm socket or nut driver to unthread the old orifice. Install the new orifice by aligning it in the orifice holder. Then use the 7mm socket or nut driver to thread and tighten. Replace the burner base so the spark electrode aligns in the notch on the side of the base. Replace the burner cap and grate. With the repair completed, turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, and your gas cooktop should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.